So I have been working all day and I have thawed chicken and it's dinner time. Well, almost, because I haven't cooked it yet. So today I'm going to make torikatsu, chicken katsu. Much like tonkatsu, which is pork cutlets, I'm using chicken breast. I'm going to deep fry it in panko breadcrumbs, and it's so easy to make and it's so good. Let me show you how I do it. Okay, so to get started, I'm working with 1.5 pounds of chicken cutlets. I took 3 small chicken breasts, split those in half, pounded them thin, and some of the larger pieces I cut in half. So now I'm just going to add some salt and cracked black pepper. Now I'm going to work on my egg wash. Here I have 2 large eggs that I'm just going to add to my bowl here. These are actually pie plates. And I'm just going to give this a mix. And instead of adding an extra egg, I like to add a 1/4 cup of cold water into the egg wash, sort of thin it out and make it stretch. Now that my egg wash is prepped, I'm going to start coating my chicken. I'm going to dredge it into all-purpose flour. You could use cornstarch, you could use potato flour. Use what you've got. I'm going to add it into my egg wash. And then I'm going to add it into panko breadcrumbs. For the flour and panko breadcrumbs, I used 1.5 cups of each. Actually, the flour, you could probably get away with using 3/4 cup, but for the panko, at least 1 cup. You might need more. So once that's completely coated, I'm adding it to a baking sheet and repeating the process for all my chicken pieces. Now that all my chicken pieces have set and are coated, I'm going to fry them. Here I have about 1/3 inch of oil here in my cast iron skillet, and I'm going to add 2 pieces at a time. Your fry temperature should be around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And because these are pounded thin, it's not going to take very long to cook these. I cooked these for about 1 minute to 1 minute and 15 seconds on each side, and then I flip it for a 3rd time for about another 30 seconds. This really didn't take that long. But once they are cooked through and get a golden brown color, just remove them and repeat the process. So to make things really simple, I'm just going to add thinly shredded cabbage on the side. And I did find 1/2 of a cucumber in my refrigerator, so I'm just going to peel and slice that as well. And this is dinner. After slicing it, I'm going to add it to a plate with some of that shredded cabbage and cucumber. I like to dress the cabbage with some mayo. And I'm going to add some tonkatsu sauce. This is store-bought. And that's it. Sometimes I like to add mayo as well. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it. And thanks for watching.